Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is AmanChopra, and today I'm going to be unboxing the 2017 Apple TV 4K versus the 2015 Apple TV HD. Now before I go into this comparison, I'm going to be unboxing this new 2017 Apple TV 4K, so get ready to be satisfied. Okay, so we have here the Apple TV 4K box sitting on top with the remote beside it, which I'll start with first. And for those of you that have the older models will instantly recognize that the remote is slightly different. As you can see, it mostly looks the same on the front and the back, except the front has a white ring around the menu button, which is a razor higher than the other buttons for ease of access as compared to the 2015 version. But the one significant difference in this remote and the 2015 one is that this remote has the improved 3-axis gyroscope in it for better motion tracking. So when you scroll through your Apple TV or decide to play games, the overall experience will be much more smoother. And right below this remote is a power cable for the Apple TV. Next up, with the actual Apple TV itself, this is a real eye catcher. Now I'll be explaining all about it and the ports that it comes with later on in the video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Finally, below the Apple TV, we have the regular Apple manuals which no one reads, so we can put that there, and below that, we have the lightning cable to charge the remote. So now that the Apple TV has been unboxed, before I give you all the specs and details, because I want to help you save your time, here's my upfront conclusion. Personally, I feel that the Apple TV 4K definitely surpasses the Apple TV HD for multiple reasons except one, which I'll talk about later in the video. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel and let's compare these models. So starting with the pricing and storage options, the 2015 Apple TV HD comes with the internal storage option of either 32 or 64 GB, and when it first came out in 2015, the price started at $149 for the 32 GB model. As for the 2017 Apple TV 4K, it also comes with the storage option of 32 GB or 64 GB. However, when this model came out in 2017, it started at $179 for the 32 GB and $199 for the 64 GB. There are many differences between both of these Apple TV models, however the first and most noticeable one is the resolution. The Apple TV HD comes with 4 ports, which are for the AC power cord, the Ethernet, a USB Type-C port, and an HDMI port, and it offers a maximum of 1920 by 1080 pixels, hence the HD. Whereas the Apple TV 4K comes with 3 ports for the AC power adapter, the HDMI, and the Ethernet, which also has vents at the bottom unlike the other Apple TV to keep it cool. And this model offers a maximum of 3840 by 2160 pixels, hence the 4K. Since the Apple TV 4K can provide such a high resolution, it's also the first model that Apple made which supports HDR10, with which the picture offers brighter, more realistic colors and greater detail, Dolby Vision, which goes beyond standard HDR, and Dolby Atmos, which is a Dolby company's fully immersive 3-dimensional product. Next up, let's talk about the hardware and software. So the Apple TV HD has an Apple A8 CPU which features 2 cores, whereas the Apple TV 4K has an Apple A10X Fusion which features 4 cores in total, out of which 2 of them are considered to be high performance cores. And because it has a faster and more improved processor as well, the Apple TV 4K can support a wider variety of resolutions and has Bluetooth 5.0, unlike the Apple TV HD, which can only go up to 1080p and has Bluetooth 4.0. However, they both are compatible with tvOS 13, they both have Siri functionality, and they both have Apple TV Plus, meaning with either streaming box, you're not missing out on anything. Lastly, let's talk about the remotes. Right off the bat, you'll notice this white ring around the menu button, which is placed there to raise it higher than the other buttons for ease of access as compared to this 2015 remote. As you can see, it mostly looks the same on the front, with the menu and home button, the Siri and play and pause button, a button for the volume, and the same dual microphones for Siri and the glass touch surface. And if we flip to the back, they both have a nice aluminum finish, but the one significant difference in this remote and the 2015 one is that this remote has the improved 3-axis gyroscope in it for better motion tracking. So when you scroll through your Apple TV or decide to play games, the overall experience will be much more smoother. So overall, I think that both of these Apple TVs are brilliant because they're fast, they live up to Apple's name, and they have tons of features. But if I had to choose a better model between the two, I would definitely choose the Apple TV 4K because of the resolution that it has to offer. However, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, the only reason why you might want to hold back on buying the 4K model is if you don't have a TV that supports 4K resolution. This Apple TV mainly stands out for one reason, which is its quality. And so with the many different choices it has for the resolution, such as 4K, HDR, Dolby Atmos, and Dolby Vision, the viewing experience becomes even more spectacular. So if you still have the Apple TV HD, there's really no real need to upgrade. However, if you still decide that you want to upgrade, the Apple TV 4K makes a very great purchase at a very reasonable price. So that's pretty much it for the video today, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like down below. Absolutely smash that subscribe button to show YouTube what's up, and comment down below on what Apple TV model you use. And on the left of me are videos that YouTube thinks are cool, and so you should definitely go check them out. And as always, thanks for watching.